Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you an app that is far better than any app you've ever used. If you're a student, a worker, or whatever you do, want to pay attention to this video. So you're going to search for Microsoft Lens. As you see in the App Store, you're going to download it, and well, after you download it, you open it. As you see here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we share a lot of useful information on tech. Now you allow anything that you have to allow, or you want to choose while using this app when you allow those things. Now you take any book at all, anything that you are reading, you scan, and when you scan, after scanning, you choose confirm, and it appears this way. Now this is still a kind of a picture that you want to edit. Perhaps you want to crop some side of some parts of this. Is just a demonstration. You want to take your time to scan the page that you want. The idea is to convert this to something we can edit. So when you confirm, you go to this page where you choose to whether save it as a PDF, as a Word document, or as an image, or even you can save them as all of them. And you have to choose a name, any name you want. Select a name, type in a name, and after you've selected the format, in this case we are choosing to save it as a Word document. After that, we're going to open it for you to see, and just Word document, and then you click save, and it takes you to a location where you want to save it, and then you're done. So you're going to go back and open the document that we just scanned, and this is how it looks like in Word document. As you can see, there are still some portions of the image we took which we can just delete from the document if we don't want it to appear, and we can do some editing. We can change anything we want. We can set the type again differently. So if there is a book you want to type, you don't have to look at it and type it word by word or anything. Just get this app, scan it, save it as a Word document, and you can transfer it to your computer or any other device you want. And another interesting feature of this app is that you can, after scanning, you can ask it to read the audio. If you want to know more about this feature, let me know in the comment section.